Hello everyone, how have you been? Hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. Today I am at Mathura tea garden and which is located near Chilapata forest, and today I come here and I spend my quality time especially with my family member, and you can see behind me it is far away from my distance where my family person are waiting for me, and I just came here and to making a video. So I am walking middle of the road of tea garden. On my both side are tea garden, and whose look is so beautiful, and it is fascinated me, especially the beauty of tea garden. And you can see both side of tea garden, and the road is flowing on the middle of the tea garden road, and it is so beautiful. The atmosphere of the area is so beautiful, and this type of place especially attracted us because where is no pollution, especially when you visit this type of place, especially you are very close to the nature, and this is the beauty of this type of place especially. And it was my addiction when I return home, that time I visit any new place and I am making video to improve my speaking English. So when you visit any new place, that time you can get idea from the situation, but we don't expose our thought when I visit any new place, and you just make a video and you can improve your speaking English. And this is the main thing, especially my thought is I come here to making a video. Also I am spend my quality time with my family member. Also I am improve my speaking English. The reason behind is, and this is the new place for me, and I don't know how to manifest my thought while I speak in English. When I visit this type of place, then I making a video for improve my speaking English. So especially what are you saying when you any new visit at this place right now? You can see behind me the sun is shining. This is the extra beauty of sun, and which is looks so beautiful especially. And I am right now I am on the tea garden, and which is look so beautiful. It is the atmosphere of this place is very passionate and blazing cold flowing, and when it touches my heart and I feel comfortable. So why I am feel comfortable, the reason behind is there is no pollution, especially the place, this is the beauty. And when you any tea garden all around you